Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paychex for HR and compliance workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Paychex for HR and compliance workflows, start by logging into your Paychex account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate and select the HR and compliance section from the main menu. Click on the Activate button to begin the process for enhancing your HR workflows. You may be prompted to review the features included in the HR and compliance package. Take your time to read through the details to ensure they meet your business needs. Next, you will need to verify your organization's information. Input any required details, including your company name and address, if prompted. Once you have reviewed and confirmed your information, proceed to the next step. In this step, you may be asked to customize your HR settings. Make selections based on your company's specific HR policies and procedures. This may include choosing benefits options, setting up compliance alerts, or defining document management preferences. After customizing your settings, click on the Save or Continue button. You will then see a confirmation screen summarizing your HR configuration choices. Verify that all information is correct and proceed to activate the compliance features. Be prepared to enter any relevant compliance codes or state-specific regulations as needed. Once everything is completed, click the Final Activate button. Paychex may take a few moments to process your activation request. After processing, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your activation is successful. You can now access your HR and compliance tools from the dashboard. Review your available features to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Feel free to explore additional resources or training materials provided by Paychex. With your activation complete, you are now ready to leverage the full capabilities of Paychex for HR and compliance workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.